Hello guys, today we're unboxing this beauty. It's the RAPOO 9000M. It's a mouse keyboard combo from this brand RAPOO. This brand is the best brand for your bucks. You get high quality products, and I'm not paid to say that. Because they have really good keyboard, web cameras, all accessories for a really good price. Price that you will spend, money that you will spend like hundreds for other brands, but these get you for this combo, for example, is like maybe 25 euros, 25 bucks. And now let's see what we have inside. I needed this combo because I have a PC and I just bought an old Mac Mini that does not have a keyboard. So they are on one desk and I need them to have easy way to switch between accessories. That's why I bought this keyboard and mouse combo. I didn't want to put more devices on my desk, so I saw that these are fairly cheap and have good reviews from other people. So this is the keyboard. Oh, it even comes with a battery inside, which is something strange here. And the battery is very interesting because it has something like charging indicator, maybe. We'll see that later. Pull out. These are where the batteries reside, and these are the on-off buttons for the keyboard. The keyboard is very Apple-like, unlike if you imagine it white. Maybe there is a white variant, I don't know. But the keyboard is really sleek, has good buttons. Yeah, very minimalistic, and on the back it's metal, which I don't know how they managed to do it in metal for this cheap price. This is the cover, the battery cover, and this is the mouse. It has on-off button, it has Bluetooth button for pairing maybe, and we have a battery inside ready to work, and we have additional Bluetooth receiver then you can use with PC that does not have a Bluetooth, or if you prefer something else. And let's see what else is inside. These are some packaging, but I don't think there are anything inside. No, we have something. We have a leaflet. It's inside. Let's clean it out. Let's tear this. There is a manual. Nice. What does the manual say? Oh, there is a QR code to download it, maybe. Battery. Yeah, that's mostly it. Mouse, battery, and apparently you switch between different types with the function key, and you can assign 1, 2, 3 Bluetooth device and 2.4 gigahertz maybe for the dongle that I showed you on the mouse. So yeah, that's all. We'll now see how it works on my Mac and PC, and yeah, see you after a minute. So now we will pair the keyboard first. We got batteries here. We put them on the back, and like that. Later we'll put the cover. We turn on the keyboard, and then we'll first connect it to our Mac. No, it's not for here. Set a Bluetooth keyboard, yeah. And we'll press the function and one, and we have Bluetooth. We have an option to select Bluetooth 3.0 and Bluetooth 4.0. We will use Bluetooth 4, it's better. And now the keyboard is connected. Press done. There are some settings. Let's see what's inside. Yeah. Oh, it's writing. Site. Yeah, it's good. Good feeling. Very calm. Now we will pair the mouse. The mouse is very silent. There are no audible clicks when you click the case. So we will remove this pull tab here for the battery, and we put the front, and then we will turn it on. Nothing happens. Let's see the other mouse, and we set up another mouse. Let's press this button. Yep, and we can connect it. It's again, you have the choice between Bluetooth 3.0 or Bluetooth 4.0. It's connected, we have done, and now the mouse is working. It's very convenient, very fast mouse. We'll reduce the tracking speed. Let's see the scroll. It's scrolling. Nice. It's okay. I guess it's okay. And now we will set up the keyboard and mouse on the PC that I have. We click on Add Device, Bluetooth, and it's searching. And we will now set up the keyboard first. We'll press function 2 for 3 seconds. And yeah, we have the keyboard appear here. Bluetooth 3.0. We don't see the Bluetooth 4.0 mark. Here it is. And we connect. And the device is ready to go. Let's see. By the way, it's not. It's working. It's already working. It took it a while, and now we'll add Bluetooth, keyboard, and we are scanning. We will press once the Bluetooth, and then we'll press it for 3 seconds. Connect it like that, and wait for it to start working. Connecting. Let's go. Apparently these devices should have a lot of battery life. The keyboard is rated for 1 year and the mouse for several months, but the mouse is not connecting yet. Takes some time. Yeah, it failed. Apparently the mouse didn't want to connect with the Bluetooth 4. I don't know why on Windows, but now it's working. You can see it. It's okay. Bluetooth mouse, Bluetooth keyboard we have, and then we'll tap here and we'll see some sites. Working, it's loading, it's clicky, we can scroll, and yeah, that's it. Now let's try to switch to the other machine, to the Mac. We'll press function 1 to switch to the Mac, and we'll switch the input here. that. Yeah, the keyboard is working, but apparently there was some issue with the mouse and the keyboard using Bluetooth, so I used the internal dongle, and currently it's working okay. For example, we are now using the mouse and the keyboard on the PC. They are working with the provided dongle, which is 2.4 gigahertz, and you can switch on it by pressing the function and 2.4 G keys on the keyboard. And if you want to use the other input for the Mac, then first I will sleep my computer like that, and then I will switch to function 1 and we'll press one time the button here and we'll wake the Mac. We'll have to wait a couple of seconds until they are awoken. Yep, and we are now on the Mac, but the mouse is apparently on the second click, so that's a bit strange. I don't know how many times I have to click to switch from one to the other, but I think we'll get used to it. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and peace. Like, subscribe, share.